So these four probes which are placed on the crystal, germanium crystal, okay, outer two probes are for the current flow, and inner two probes for the measurement of the voltage. All right, so we can connect these four probes, okay, through the setup. That is your four probe setup. You can see here on the four probe setup there are some points are given. These 2 points for the current purpose, you can connect these 2 points for the connection of the current. And these 2 points for the connection of the voltage. All right, so in between them there is a one knob is given. You can select what you want to measure or display on the this 4 probe setup. This time the knob is towards the voltage, so it is simply giving the voltage in the millivolt. If I switch this knob towards the current, so this time it is measuring the current which is flowing in the crystal. In the semiconductor crystal, I recommend that the current must be below the 5 milliampere. Okay, why? What is the reason behind it? We already discussed in the detail in the theory portion. Okay, if you flow the high current, the resistivity of the semiconductor crystal is very high. Okay, so the heat loss will be very high, and the crystal will get heated, and when the crystal get heated, it will break. Okay, so that the recommendation current which is going to flow in the semiconductor crystal, that should not go beyond the 5 milliampere. Okay, because we have to flow the current for the longer time. This experiment run for the 2 hours, so we cannot flow the high current through the crystal. All right, so if you switch this knob towards the current section, so the current is the 3.86, and from this knob we can control the value of the current. Okay, so let us suppose I set the value of the current near about 3 milliampere. All right, from this knob, this is a very delicate, so let us suppose it is set. Okay, there is a 3.04, that is fine. Okay, and now I simply switch towards the voltage size. Okay, in the voltage knob there is another switch is given, this one. Okay, when you put this switch towards this, so it is going to display the voltage. Right now it is not going to display because it is beyond the display range. So when you shift in that cross multiplied by 10 segment, so it is going to 23.9. so when you're going to take the reading, you have to simply multiply by 23.9 multiplied by 10. So the real voltage is near is 239 or 240 millivolts. Okay, so all the measurements, current and voltage, is only in the range of the milliampere and millivolt. All right. Okay, so there is another panel given over here. Okay, and from this panel, this lead is going into the oven. So basically this panel is given for the control of the temperature of the oven. So in starting we put this knob towards the low, because we have to increase the temperature very slowly. Okay, for each and every measurement we have to attain the thermodynamic equilibrium. Otherwise the temperature which is displayed by the thermometer, I'll explain about it after some time. Okay, and the actual temperature of the sample may have some difference. So to remove that difference, we have to wait for some time, let the system achieve the thermodynamic equilibrium. Okay, then simply take the reading. All right, so in starting we will put at the low temperature, we fix the current 3 milliampere. We can see that is a 3 milliampere near about. Okay, 2.99, and this is the room temperature voltage which is given by the sample. Now I am going to put this sample holder, okay, in the oven. Now, and this is thermometer, and this thermometer is, there is a one cavity you can see, and from this cavity you can put it inside and put the thermometer like this. You can take the reading very easily. All right, thank you, Rajat. So now you can take the reading. At this moment you can see that the temperature is there is some problem in focusing. Okay. Near about that is temperature, let me read for you, that is near about 37 degrees centigrade right now. Okay, so we can read it from the thermometer. Let me put in this way, probably you'll get. It is not getting focus. नहीं focus नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, leave it. So the temperature is right now is as I told you, that is near about 37 degrees centigrade. Now I'll switch on the oven. So this is the oven panel, and I'm going to switch it on. When switch it on, this LED will blink. Okay, and right now it is at the low voltage, and slowly the temperature will rise from here. So at the 55 degrees centigrade we have to take the reading of the voltage which is displayed on this panel, and let us suppose the temperature reaches at the 40 degrees centigrade, then I'll take the reading which is displayed over here. Okay, and when the 45, then I take the reading of the voltage, and so we can take the reading up to the 180 degrees centigrade, and for the temperature variation of the step of the 55 degree centigrade from the room temperature to the 170 degrees centigrade, and note down the value of the voltage which is displayed on the panel. Okay, the one important thing in this experiment, that the current should not go beyond the 5 milliampere. Otherwise your whole sample holder and especially the sample will get heated, and that will break down, and that will be the big loss for this experiment. All right, so that's how we have to perform this experiment. It is a very easy to perform 4 probe setup, but the theory behind it and the working principle of this experiment and the use of this application, this experiment in the for the research purpose is very, very important. For that one we'll discuss in detail. By the way, this is the whole procedure.